Hey everyone out there, it's Rick here, and today I'm doing a remake video of my Made-Rite Model 187 antique fan. I found out that Made-Rite was made by Dominion actually, so it's just like a relabel, and that would make sense since the cage is, pretty character of Dominion. A lot of 30s and 40s Dominion fans had cages like that. But this one's branded Made-Rite, and it's probably from the late 30s, possibly early 40s, somewhere in there, I'm guessing. The blades are pretty unique to this fan. I think, pretty interesting design, but it does seem to push some pretty good air. It's a 10-inch model, I believe, and the cage is a little bit scratched here and there, but you could tell it used to be like shiny gold, not brass, but just like painted gold. And then the blades are kind of like a brownish tan color, and the base is cast iron. And here's the back. I don't know if you can see that real well, but it's a pretty good sized motor. It doesn't oscillate, so that whole thing is the motor. And this is there's a few cords here, but this is the one for it. I'm pretty sure it's not original. It's probably like, my guess is the cord's probably from the 70s or 80s, so it was probably rewired at one point. But just got one speed, and I'll fire it up for you. Just plugs in the wall. It has a little rattle to it, but I oiled it a while back and it seems to have gone down a bit. Pretty powerful. Yeah, it runs pretty quietly other than slight rattle. I've got it up here in my bedroom next to a couple other fans. Alright, just unplugged it. Here's the spin down time. I balanced the blades a while back too. Seems to be better balanced now. So there you have it. Thanks for watching, and there will be more fan videos to come. Bye-bye.